Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to boot your Samsung 400B with your USB. And first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to put a USB flash with Windows image. And the next thing, you are going to click on the power button and click on F9 because this is the boot option for the Samsung. So what happens here, the laptop just gets off. So what you do, you're going to click F2. Let me increase the light. So when you go to F2 to take you to the BIOS system, and in the BIOS system, this is what we do. The BIOS system, you have to click on the right arrow key. On the right arrow key, you see advanced, and you go down here. So you click on the down arrow key and click enter, then up arrow key and click enter to accept, to enable that option. Also have to enable this option of the for the UEFI boot support. Then the last thing you have to do, you have to make sure you activate this also, enable because they are disabled. Then the next thing, you have to click F10 and also click enter. While the computer restarts, you click on F9. So now F9, it will ask you to press any key. Actually, let me repeat it again for you. I'm holding the power button. So after enabling those options, this is what we get. Click power button, you rapidly click on F9. Then when you look here up, it is going to ask for to click any key. Then you click either enter or any key. Then it will take us to this mode whereby it will start installing files from the USB. It's now looking for the files from the USB. And this is how you do the process on how to enable the USB boot option on your Samsung 400, and this could work on other versions of Samsungs. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to do recovery on your computer, and this is how it is done. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and other videos I'm going to show you how to install Windows step by step. So stay tuned. See you in my next video. Goodbye.